How to make sortable data type in Python. I have a class representing something with a few fields. When a list of instances of this class is sorted, I want them to be sorted in a particular order, get a particular key from each one. I can just do list.sort, key equals class name.sort key, and define a sort key method, but I'd rather just do list.sort, and have it work out. I figure I can do this by overriding __cmp___. However, what do I do when I'm comparing with something that is not my data type? I figure something like but that works instead. I don't care what ordering they take in a heterogeneous list. I would just return 0, but then stuff like Michaelis, ... == x is always true, for any x not an instance of Michaelis.
Check out this URL. You want to override __lt___ in your class for the built-in sort function to work the way you described.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.